for some reason you want to delete your Facebook page permanently after creating it, stay tuned till the end of this video to see the entire process. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. Once you have updated it, continue to open. Here, locate this menu on the top right corner and click it. Here, scroll to locate your pages and click it. Of course, you'll notice I have plenty pages here. I'm interested in deleting Mubarick MD, so I'll click it. Don't worry if you don't know how to create a page. You can watch my previous episode, the link up above. You can also find the link in the description button to see the entire process. So once the page opens, which is a page that I've newly created, I'm interested in deleting this page. So all I will do is just to navigate back to the settings icon here and click it. I'll then locate general and click it. Right here, I'll scroll down until I locate remove page. Beneath the remove page, we can see permanently delete Mubarick MD. So I'll continue to click it. Right here, I'll be prompted, are you sure you want to delete Mubarick MD? If I proceed to click here, everything that I have will be deleted from this page. Of course, I'm not interested to delete it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.